Hey Tom, we got the Seagull here, all set up and got some new strings. It's very nice, nice sound too. Here's some Christmas songs here. You're the joy of every longing heart. You're the joy of every longing heart. You're the joy of every longing heart. Come, thou long expected Jesus, born to set thy people free from our fears and sins. Release us, let us find our rest in thee. Israel's strength and consolation, hope of all of the earth thou art, dear desire of every nation, joy of every longing heart. Born thy people to deliver, born a child and yet a king, born to reign in us forever. Now thy gracious kingdom bring, by thine own eternal Spirit, rule in all of our hearts alone. By thine all-sufficient merit, raise us to thy glorious throne. Come, thou long expected Jesus, born to set thy people free from our fears and sins. Release us, let us find our rest in thee. Israel's strength and consolation, hope of all of the earth thou art, dear desire of every nation, joy of every longing heart. Let me just see something here real quick. Got new strings on it. That should do. We three kings are holy and tall, bearing gifts we traverse afar, field and fountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. Oh, star, wonder star of night. shepherds keep their flocks of lambs and feeding sheep, whom God's angel did appear, which put the shepherds in great fear. Prepare and go, the angel said, to Bethlehem. Be not afraid, for there you'll find this happy born, a princely babe, sweet Jesus born. With thankful heart and joyful mind, the shepherds went the babe to find, and as God's angel had foretold, they did our Savior Christ behold. Within a manger he was laid, and by his side the Virgin Mary, attending to the Lord of life, who came on earth to end all strife. Good people all, this Christmas time, consider well and bear in mind what our good God for us has done in sending his beloved Son. The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appears and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Truly taught us to love one another. His law is love, and his gospel is peace. Chains shall he break, for the slave is our brother, and in his name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy in grateful chorus raise we, that all within What child is this who laid to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch on keeping? This is Christ the King, whom shepherds